Don't blink. Did you catch that? School's starting soon, so I'm making these cool minimalistic pencil cases that close with a dovetail mechanism. That's why it's called dovetail. Just like it's supposed to, a dovetail doesn't move, but when it's asked to, it opens with a click and closes with a flip. I can fit around 8 pens slash mechanical pencils in here, and you could definitely throw in an eraser and like some chapstick. The lock doesn't open on its own in your bag, and it's got a chunky but sleek design, so it's not going to crack like a cheap case. I'm like 99% satisfied with this design. My only complaint is that it jams when you press it at an angle, and I'm trying to find a solution to this. Before I get busy with college, I'm putting this on MakerWorld with work in progress in the title, just so you can try it out and eventually experience the updates. Thanks.